Hey everyone, this is Zach Maes. I'm coming to you live from my car and about to upload in a Starbucks, so that should be fun. But here is my receipt tracker. It is very simple. I tried to make it a little more complicated if you dig into the code, but I ended up simplifying it a little bit so that it would run and function. Here it is. So what this is going to do is it's going to calculate the total price and the numbers of days spent in each city based on the receipts that I've been saving. And I had inputted all these receipts into a JSON file. So let's run it. And we have my description. And according to the data, I've spent this much money. And you can see a breakdown for each city of how many days I was in each city for. If you want to add your own data, you can just use this schema here and enter new receipt data into the JSON file, which you can find right here, testdata.json. And you'll see it has all my pre-entered data here, which is what it's using. All the code for this is in the app.js file right here.